Good morning guys, in front of me is REALME GT 70 and let me show you how to perform a soft reset on this device. So basically all you have to do is to tap on power button along with volume up button, just tap and hold both of them. And once you feel a smooth vibration and see REALME logo, just remove both fingers from both buttons and wait till your REALME is rebooted. Now draw your unlock pattern and use your device in a normal way. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.